Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. We are back with a new AI tool called Playground. So, as a designer, sometimes we all have a very short timelines to do a multiple of tasks and we don't know how to manage it. So, this is a AI tool that save us from those short deadlines. So, this is our interface and let's start designing. Before start designing, we need to log in and I'm logging with my Google account. Once you log in, you see there is a multiple of template and on our left hand corner, we have a multiple buttons like create, template, my designs and so on. On our bottom left corner, they give us an option to download for the iOS app. Yes, it's available for the iPhone also. After clicking on a download iOS app button, they give us a QR code. So by scan the QR code, I can download this app into my iPhone. Also, they have a subscription to their Pro version. If you upgrade plan, you have up to 6 more faster images, unlimited access to a premium design, enhanced image editing, use image commercially. In annual plan, you have to pay $12 per month. In monthly plan, you have to pay $15 per month. And also, if you want to use for a one time, we have a day pass of $8. So let's start design. So we have multiple templates like social media, art, poster, mobile wallpaper, mockup, stickers, card invites, seamless patterns, memes, monograms, ebook cover, virtual background, curling book page, mug, hats, and Spotify album covers. So let's start with ebook cover. So once we click on an ebook cover, we have a multiple templates as you can see. Wow, there is a lot of template you can use. In just a single click, you can use any of these template without paying anything. So for now, we are taking this outer space for a kid. And yes, also on our top left corner, we have an explore button. Once we click on explore button, we get a multiple of template like this. So for now, I'm taking only that same template I choose from the previous gallery and let's start doing by changing its color theme. So as you can see, as I change a color, it changed the elements of the poster and after that I'm resizing my poster. So for now I'm taking my poster in a size of 3:4 and you can see the elements, more elements should added. So for now let's change up text by using a prompt panel. So for now I'm typing change text outer space to my earth and generate. Wow, you can see it's generate my text in just a few seconds and also we have some different element always. So again we are changing a byline. So in byline I'm changing it to the generative coach. With a click, wow, it gives us a click by earth by generative coach. Wow, you can see how fast it is and how amazing it is. Also in this you can use an eraser tool. For now I'm removing this moon and you can adjust your brush size also. So just a click you can see the moon is removed. Also we can export it by just clicking on a top right corner export. They give us an option to download print with a playground and there is some more features also in a Pro version. So for now we are downloading this and you can see it gives us a prompt that my download has done. Also on the top right corner there is a share button. So you can share your image by just clicking on a share option. Also you can share this image with anyone just clicking on a share button and type the person email address. Also you can copy the link and share with anyone. After that we are back on our home page where there is an option my design. So where we can customize this from this section. You don't need to search and write again and again with the same prompt to find the same design. So let's start and try to create some logo on this. So once we click on a logo template, we have multiple logo templates inside it, and for now I am taking a space logo. So let's click on it and start changes. Once you click on it, you see you have a same interface as we have in a previous template. Let's edit text by writing a prompt, remove space from ISRO, and once we click we get ISRO on our logo. So also let's change its color to the dark theme, and let's change a ratio of this to 3:4. After, let's try to apply some style on it. So for now I'm selecting pure visualization style, and on a click, yes, you can see the changes are there, and with the same method we can export our logo. Here we have our logo. So for now I'm resting my video here. If you like it, please do subscribe our channel Generative Coach for exciting AI tools like this. So I'm hoping this tool help our designing community, as it saves time with give us a lot of templates, and we can change those templates with just a single prompt. Thank you again. If you like the video, please like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share with your friends. Thank you.